How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and welcome back for another video. So we have the iPhone 8 and iPhone 7 Plus here running the latest version of the iOS, which is iOS 15. So this is just a quick video about the oldest iPhones, at least. Well, the oldest ones are the 6S and the SE, but 7 and 8 are behind. So yeah, I'm very excited to show you this update on an iPhone 7 Plus, which is running this pretty cool skin. I don't know if you like it. Let me know in the comments down below. Also iPhone 8 here as well. So the update was about 2.5 gigabytes. Let me show you about 2.5 gigabytes on a iPhone 8, and pretty much was the same on a iPhone 7 Plus as well, as you can see. So very excited about this update because brings new cool features. Also, I'm very curious to see for how long Apple will update these two iPhones. But we know that iPhone 7 Plus is being released in 2016, and iPhone 8 is being in 2017. So interesting enough, I think these phones, I believe they're gonna be uh, at least, I believe, for another 3 years. I'll be surprised, but let me know what do you think about your iPhone 7 Plus or iPhone 8 if you have. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below which one do you have. Do you have the 7 Plus or do you have the 8? Do you prefer a big size 5.5 inch iPhone, or do you prefer compact 4.7 inch, as many people prefer the 4.7 inch? But yeah, very interesting update, brings very new cool features. One of the interesting cool feature is I just talked to my girlfriend on a FaceTime, and one of the cool feature is you can blur the background, you can send links, which is very interesting in my opinion. Also, you can change the stacks here. Before you can manage again, but now we have another cool options here, so you can edit different stacks. Also, one of my favorite update feature personally, it's the weather app, which in my opinion looks very cool. And if you change the location, changes, for example, if you change the locations, if you change the location, changes the so let's say the weather. So if you go to Dubai, it shows you real time what is the weather like. New York, it's cloudy, and let's say for example, if you change to a location that is night, you can see in real time what is the weather like, and also all the information here. This is pretty good in my opinion. I love this. I mentioned this option a few times ago. I love it. And yeah, pretty interesting update on all the devices. iPhone 8 is pretty much the same as you can see here, with the same apps. So let me know in the comments down below if you want to see a battle, because I'm thinking to do a battle between these two iPhones. I don't know if it's gonna be fair, but personally I think it's gonna be interesting to see iPhone 7 Plus. I know iPhone 7 Plus has 3 gigabytes of RAM, but has an 8-inch chip. The iPhone 8 has 2 gigabytes of RAM with A11 chip. So it's gonna be interesting to see which one is faster. But let me know in the comments down below if you want to see that in a next video. But yeah, I'm excited. Let me know in the comments down below what do you want to see in the next video. Also, I believe there's a new cool feature in Safari, as you can see. So as you can see, you can check. I think this was before, but now we have a different options here, in my opinion, which is much better. So you can change between um, sites. As you can see, before this was not enabled, but now, as you can see, we can just swipe and you can go to different pages, which is pretty interesting in my opinion. This is a very good update, personally, I think. But yeah, this just was a quick video, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see something interesting about the iPhone 7 Plus or iPhone 8. So I already dropped iPhone 6s. I'm gonna leave it in the end of this video, so make sure you check it. iPhone SE as well. So pretty interesting devices, cool updates. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell notifications, otherwise you'll miss cool videos like these ones. And if you want to be up to date about all the iPhones, make sure to do that as well. But yeah, this was Stefan. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next video.